All right, hit number 2. Gonna see if we can back it up. Back it up, Terry.
Or make more power.
Oh yeah, look at this nice morning weather. What's that back there? Don't worry about that just yet. We're rolling in the 09. About to head to Kyle's house, pick him up, going to a familiar place today. Hopefully get some major things accomplished. Look at this guy here. Look at him. Doing. Oh man, I gotta work on my strap skills, I guess. Something wrong?
Who strapped this thing down?
What do you mean?
It wasn't being hooked up. Clearly somebody named Rick.
What do you mean?
You gotta hide the wheel.
Yeah,
Where's the other strap?
That's a billet wheel. That's the strongest part of the machine.
Yeah. How much? Jesus Christ.
Oh,
Too early for this.
Where's the other hook? Oh, look, it's over there.
Oh my God, Rick. It's too early.
Why'd you do that?
I didn't do it. You did it.
Oh, man.
Man.
It is too early. Where are we going today?
Where's the rest of the strap? We're going to that place.
Oh, that place? Yeah, we're going back there. We got some stuff to put on this thing and hopefully make 3 cylinders freaking make some noise. Hopefully. Yeah,
hopefully don't fry that new ECU. Should be a little stressful for you. Do you have a strap on the front of this machine?
Yeah, big one, a thick one. You didn't see that?
No. I'm going on this side.
See what time it is? 2:04. Remember how we left your house at 8?
Yeah, I remember when I was like, yeah, it'd be nice if we were home by 5.
Yeah, it would be nice, but I mean, it's not going to happen.
Not happening.
Oh, we haven't really made any progress. We ate some food, had a couple energy drinks, but I think we're about to the point where we're going to plug that ECU in and program it up and see what we got.
Hopefully it starts.
Yeah, I think we're going to do a final fuse check before we do that again.
Probably smart.
And just see what happens.
Mm-hmm. The fuse is right, and I said, yeah, Rick did said they're good. Yeah. They were not.
Dude, he's already heard the story, and once again, look at this.
That's what I heard, yeah.
Another one. You ever hear my buddy Blah?
Blah.
Yeah, first name's Blah, last name Own Fuse. Yeah, he's hanging out in here, so we're gonna get another one of these, and we should be good. I feel. We got the wizard box there. We need the what would the computer be called? I don't know. I'll go grab that and plug it in and see if there's sparks, see if there's if Blah is still hanging out. Hopefully not, but I think it's gonna run today, guys. I think it's gonna run today. Listen, I'm gonna let you guys in on a little secret. If it runs, I'm so tempted to just burn these 30s off at some unknown location. I don't know, guys. I'm gonna be nuts. I'll drive it off the trailer sideways.
No,
No,
you won't. There's no seats.
Yeah, this is Whalen Speed, dude. You think there's no more machines here I can borrow a seat from?
True.
Or a crate?
True.
Oh, there's Morty. Oh, it's definitely gonna run. Here's a brand new box, guys, ready to get plugged in. Hopefully good things happen with this. I got a lot of faith in this thing. Got a lot of faith. We're gonna plug it in.
Yeah, this looks right.
Just film the special stuff that you think special. And then we won't have video because you think it all sucks.
What is that weird noise? You can try to start it.
Yeah.
I don't have fuel pump. I don't hear fuel pump running.
Did it prime?
Here, leave it powered on.
Yeah, why didn't the fuel pump prime?
Yeah, this battery's always dead, Rick.
What, this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
Should put a new one in it.
That one's supposed to be.
That's a dummy.
Oh, it is a dummy, you're right.
Spare.
Like me. Is this one?
We got power.
Inside the shop, we're thinking maybe there's an issue with the ECU triggering the fuel pump to turn on because we still don't have fuel pressure. So we've got our power probe hooked up and we're just gonna try and manually energize the fuel pump and see if it'll run with without the ECU controlling the fuel pump. So, see what happens. All right, we put a stock sending unit back in this stock fuel pump. We're thinking the ECU was having some sort of trouble turning on the rewire kit that we had going on, so we bypassed all that. Stock setup for the fuel system now. See if we hear it. Oh yeah.
Oh, fuel pumps are on.
Oh yeah.
Is there any leaks? I redid all that.
Get a flashlight.
Kyle, give me that flashlight.
Get your flashlight extra small.
Good.
Well, we're looking good over here.
All right. Start it.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah, baby! Woo! Woo! Yeah! Motherfucking Rex is back. Man, so we didn't get this on video, but we did plug the factory ECU back into it, and it fired right up. It wasn't the ECU, it wasn't wiring harness. I guess it technically was a wiring harness, but not the machine's wiring harness, aftermarket. So
Right, the ECU grounds the fuel pump relay, essentially, or not fuel pump relay, but grounds the fuel pump. And with the rewire harness, it must be looking for a specific load and didn't like it.
Right.
So it just shuts everything down.
right.
That's a great seat you got there.
Forged out of E85. It's pretty nice, honestly.
We got seats.
You want one? Probably.
James will not run. All right, fire it up.
Good sound. Let's turn this thing around. We're gonna make some freaking jams with this thing. All right, we're on the dyno. James looking good in there on that 5-gallon pail. So this is a Whalen built engine, FP green turbo, bone stock ECU, stock tune. We're just gonna see what it makes.
Be curious.
I'm interested to see what it does. We didn't really adjust the wastegate crack pressure or anything like that. I don't even know what it's at, honestly.
Well, it's going to be
What
at,
does that crack pressure do?
that's for the RR turbo on mine, like 14 or something. Something like that. ECU's pretty smart.
It'll just overboost
What are you saying for power?
Power? Oh my gosh. First pull?
I'm going to go with 226.
I was gonna say 214.
All right. We'll see.
This is just a big crapshoot. There's just
It really is.
I mean, bolt on and go. Like, we haven't changed anything. Well, we've changed a lot, but
He's going on.
what?
This isn't, you're making it like it's recommended. It's not.
It's not recommended.
It's just for science right now.
Yeah.
I'm curious.
Science.
That's what my life is, a big science experiment.
Yeah.
Whoa! 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 Nelly!
That was close.
That's funny.
It looked rich. How they exhaust.
Well, it's, yeah, I mean, stock fuel target.
That's true.
Well, yeah, 231 with just a good motor in there.
That's putting out some.
Yeah.
That's putting out some jam.
Like 40 to 50 more than the stock ones.
Holy crap.
Dang, beast! First hit 231. That's
Whalen
beast.
power.
I couldn't see. I can't
I
see.
saw it was like it started out like low 12, but it came down to like 11 something.
Yeah, try to do that.
I'm gonna watch engine speed this time.
Okay.
All right, hit number 2. Gonna see if we can back it up. Back it up,
Or
Terry.
make more power. Probably not.
Dang.
8,000 horsepower.
228, down 3. That's backing it up as far as I'm concerned.
Yeah, I mean, the intercooler got a little warm, so after that first
That's
pull.
about what that other one just made on 93.
Yeah.
Green.
Beast.
Oh, yeah. That's good.
All right, guys, we're off the dyno, so 231 horsepower out of this thing. Pretty happy with that on pump gas. Gonna head back home, and we'll continue there with getting this thing buttoned up, do a little bit of maintenance on it, and we're ready to freaking go. I'm so happy. It's been 5 months since this thing has been ready to hit the trails. Super happy. Back here at the building with the Rex 3. I've got some buttoning up to do on this thing, so we got to put the seats back in, a few covers on the back, got to put these plastics back on where the fuel pump goes, and just some miscellaneous stuff. But man, woke up today, oh man, just feeling good that this thing's running again, and running good and making some big power on 93 octane. Super happy with that. Big shout out to the Whalen Speed guys for all their help on this. But for now, I'm just going to get to putting stuff back together on this, clean it up. I'm going to have to do some fluid changes on it. Got to check that fluid in that front diff. This thing's going to be ready. So about time I get some tires ordered for this, I think. But yeah, maybe do a little time lapse putting this thing back together. Well, it's the next day, and check this thing out. I haven't seen, man, something I've been so happy with in a minute. The Rex 3 put back together completely. Oh my gosh, just look at this thing. Man, I gotta pull that winch cable in. Wow, just look at it. Just look at it. Now just listen to it. Oh my gosh. Isn't that Trail exhaust? That thing sounds crisp. Man. I'm so happy, guys. I'm so happy to have this thing back. Oh my gosh. 5 months this thing has been down. It's so hard to believe. For one issue or another, obviously. Not just because we couldn't get it running, but man, I'm excited. So just goes to show you, when you have so much stuff going on, there's such simple things that you can just kind of overlook and lead to some big headaches, some confusion, some problems, but put your mind power to it, you get it figured out. So again, thanks guys for tuning in, and big thanks to the Whalen Speed guys, as always, for helping us get this thing back up and moving, making some good power. Going to be doing a bunch of cool stuff with it coming up. We're going to Florida for Cletus and Cars first week in April, the 5th and the 6th, and then we're going to Crossbar Ranch the following weekend. Going to have a big side-by-side event there. Kyle's going to do some drag racing. I'm going to do the Rock Bounty course. Going to be a great time. Hope to see you guys at either one of or both of those events. And again, appreciate your guys' support in this matter. Again, excited to have this thing back up and running. Oh my gosh. I've got some other cool stuff that's coming for it. Going to work on that too. Just happy to have it running, man. Super happy. It's going to be a good summer. Hope you guys will stick along and join us for that. See you in a couple days.